Here are 25 road ragers you have to be careful of when driving on the road. Like and subscribe. Witnessed a rollover crash caused by a bad driver. The aftermath of the rollover crash. A stark reminder of the dangers on the road. The damaged vehicles and emergency services responding. Hope everyone involved is okay. From our perspective, no one seemed to suffer serious injuries. The aftermath of the accident as emergency services respond. A close call on the road. A 3-vehicle collision caused by a red light runner. The aftermath of the collision, with 3 vehicles involved. The consequences of running a red light can be severe. The damaged vehicles and emergency services responding. Hope everyone involved is okay. A BMW wrecking 2 cars by running a red light. The BMW speeding through the red light, colliding with 2 other vehicles. Consequences of reckless driving can be costly. The aftermath of the collision, with damaged cars and concerned bystanders. The chaotic scene during a Friday morning commute. A crash. Hard to tell from this perspective, but it seems the white truck didn't stop in time, causing a 4-car pileup. The white truck colliding with multiple cars, creating a pileup. The driver attempts to flee by driving off the car beneath him, then runs on foot. If anyone can identify him, it's the guy walking around the scene at the end of the clip. A car accident on the highway. A car driving in its lane when suddenly a car from the side hits it. A sudden collision. A side impact. The aftermath of the accident with the damaged cars. A man talking in his car when suddenly the unexpected moment as a car from the side hits him. An abrupt collision, disrupting the conversation. The aftermath of the accident with the man's car impacted from the side. Hope everyone involved is okay. Another car accident in Beaumont. 2 lanes making a right turn when the vehicle on the left didn't maintain its lane. The moment of the accident, with the vehicle on the left deviating from its lane. A failure to maintain the lane can lead to unexpected collisions. The aftermath of the accident with the impacted vehicle. A hit and run this morning. But the good news is everyone lived. Thank God. The aftermath of the hit and run, with people assessing the situation. In the face of such incidents, the safety of everyone involved is the top priority. Thankful for the safety of all parties. Had a bit of a scare on the road today. Check out this dashcam footage. The moment when a Tahoe pulls out last second without signaling, leading to the accident. No signal, just a sudden move that caught me off guard. The immediate aftermath of the accident.
You guys okay?
A T-bone collision at a red light in Fort Collins. Both drivers ran the red light and collided. The moment when both drivers, running the red light, collide in a T-bone crash. A dangerous situation when signals are ignored. The aftermath of the collision, with both drivers dealing with the consequences. Hopefully a reminder for everyone to follow traffic signals. Absolute chaos on Shallowford Road in Roswell. Some bozo causing a wreck. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The aftermath of a wreck caused by a reckless driver. A crash on the streets of Tucson, Arizona. Everyone should get a dash cam. Crucial for situations like these. The interaction after the crash, highlighting the confusion about the traffic signal. I believe this was a mistake. That's why we call them accidents and not on purposes. A heart-stopping near miss with a trucker. The intense moment as a truck comes dangerously close. A hair's breadth away from a potential disaster. Gotta stay alert out there on the road. A moment of relief on the narrowly avoided collision. A shocking accident. A car taking a turn suddenly collides with a speeding car from the side. The impact of the collision, initially appearing severe. No one was hurt, but it looked bad at first. The aftermath, highlighting the damage caused by the collision. A stark reminder of how quickly things can take a turn on the road. A police chase, a high-stakes pursuit with sirens wailing and lights flashing. The intense moment as police vehicles pursue a suspect. Adrenaline pumping, weaving through traffic, a real-life chase unfolding on the streets. The chase evolving, with the suspect attempting evasive maneuvers. Law enforcement working tirelessly to bring the situation under control. Rear-ended again in my Tesla Model 3. This time, a BMW hit a car in front of him, causing a chain reaction. The aftermath of the collision, with the BMW causing damage to the car in front, and subsequently colliding with the Tesla. A moment of frustration and concern on the unfortunate incident. The white car tailgating closely behind the black car. As they pass the pickup truck, both suddenly move into the right lane. The white car, almost hard to see, goes all the way into the breakdown lane on the right, passes the black car, and abruptly pulls in front of it. The risky maneuver as the white car overtakes the black car and then slams on the brakes. Rear-ended on Oceana Drive, Old 31 in Montauk, Michigan. The moment of impact as a car collides from the back. It's a reminder of how unpredictable the roads can be. The aftermath of the collision, emphasizing the fortunate outcome. Thankful that everyone involved is okay. An SUV T-boned. Thankfully, everyone was okay, but both cars ended up as write-offs. The damaged vehicles, emphasizing the severity of the impact. A stark reminder, never go through a cut-through. It's never worth the risk. This emphasizes the importance of making a legal U-turn instead of risking a cut-through. A close call. Nearly got merged into on the road. The merging car, and due to the wide-angle lens, it appears further away than it actually was. A sudden two-lane merge, the white Ford suddenly needing to change lanes in a dangerous move, reminiscent of something you might see on a certain Family Guy lane change. A risky maneuver, reminding us how crucial it is to stay alert on the road. The road on Tuesday, January 9th, 2024. A close call. Best Way in Cortland hires the worst drivers. A Best Way driver cutting off dangerously close, just feet in front of the car. If full attention was not paid, then it would be worse. Unbelievable. Stay vigilant out there. A dangerous driver, possibly drunk, attempted a major accident. A potential insurance scam. A reckless behavior as the dangerous driver tries to ram the side of the car. A blatant and alarming attempt that could have resulted in a serious accident. Stay cautious out there. Some drivers will stop at nothing. Hey guys, thanks again for tuning in. Remember to like, subscribe, and stay safe out there. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.